What's up mga ka-daily? Kumusta na? Ito bagong vlog natin. And today it's a little bit different. We're going to Georgina Island. And di pa nakakapunta doon. It's about 2 hours drive from Barrie. And then sasakay natin tong bus natin sa ferry. Kasi arkilado na naman ang bus natin sa wedding. Today's wedding is Nathan and Becca's wedding. Yan. So dalawang trip to. Pabalik-balik ng island. Dadalhin natin yung mga guests nila sa island. So pre-inspection muna natin itong bus natin. Ready natin. And then I'll see you guys mamaya pag nasa daan na tayo. Off we go! Init! So papunta sa hotel, tatakbuhin natin ng 1 hour and 7 minutes. And then sakay tayo sa ferry. So labas na tayo sa highway. Ganda ang highway ngayon guys. Time check natin 1:47 ng tanghali. Then dating natin sa Jackson Point Ramada Hotel 2:53 ng hapon. And then sakay tayo ng ferry ng 3:30 yata. Ito pa yung tinalari natin kung anong oras yung schedule ng ferry. Halos 15 minutos daw yung yung ferry sa papunta sa island, yung ferry line. So first time nating sasakay yung bus natin sa ferry. Kaya it's gonna be very interesting. So consume natin yung battery ng GoPro natin. Mamaya ulit tayo mag-usap-usap, no? Right. Maraming road na yung daan dito, hindi siya paved, no? Kaya medyo maalog yung takbo natin. Sinusundan ko lang yung GPS. Wala talaga akong idea kung saan area to. Basta sundan lang natin yung GPS. Nandito na tayo sa Sutton, Ontario. 2 minutes away from the hotel kung saan natin pipikapin yung mga guests. Saan ako pinadaan ng GPS ka? Ayan. So it's a nice quiet little town. Ngayon ako nakarating dito meron pa rin dito Ramada Hotel. Long weekend nga pala ngayon dito, Victoria Day. Kaya walang pasok mga estudyante. Pero may pasok tayo sa airport bukas. Alam naman ang airport hindi nagsasara. Almost here sa hotel. Sa little town, no? Tahimik siya. And Lawrence Street. So I think the hotel would be right beside the lake. Ito na yung hotel. Yan. Ramada Hotel. Papasok natin yung bus natin dito. And meron ba tayong space? na wala tayong space dito. Kasi one way lang nakalagay eh. Walang daan dito. Tapos tayo. Yan. Oh, great. Oras tayo dumating. Ang oras na ay oras na ba? 3 o'clock. Perfect timing. 3 o'clock. First yard. 45.
Hey there.
Hi there.
This is the shuttle.
Yep.
What time, right there, the departure?
Departure is should be soon. 3:15.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Let's get a nice one.
So mamaya ulit pag loading na tayo papuntang ferry, kailangan natin i-set up yung GPS for ferry.
Yeah, of course.
Just stretching until he decides what to do.
Waiting for the ferry.
I don't know how I can wait till say I have no choice. I have to. 腰痛啊。
Oh, did you bring a Tylenol?
Yeah, I bought.
Will you stay here for now?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're gonna try and get you on the next one. I'm gonna tell the low guys.
Okay, cool.
No stress.
They originally planned to, but they said they wanted to ride with us, and I said no.
So nandito na tayo guys, waiting for the ferry. Yan yung mga naka-line up nating ferry. So naka-line up na sa sakyan pala going to ferry. Then yung bus natin, mga passenger natin. So yeah, hintay-hintay lang tayo sa ferry guys. Mga 15 minutes pa daw. Then sakay na tayo sa ferry with the bus. Nice quiet neighborhood. Ano? Buti na lang maganda yung weather. Yung mga passenger natin. Kasakay ka sa ferry, I guess dito mapapark yung mga sasakyan na hindi dadala ng sasakyan. Okay, balik tayo sa loob ng bus. Ito yung si 1828. Wait na rin ito nakabalik kagabi. Alas 2 na yata ng madaling araw kami nakarating. Punong-puno guys, kahit sa aisle may mga nakatayo. Yung bus natin. So, hintayin na lang natin. Yung mga nakatira pala sa island, dito sila magpapagas. So walang gasolinahan, parang bahay lang dun sa island. I was talking to one of the guys and talagang bahayan lang. Hindi may mga little convenience store. Yan. Yan. So we're about to board the ferry now. Siguro pinakalas tayo sa linya kasi malaki tayo. Kasi lahat mga sa kotse lang eh. Pero we're still missing 2 passengers pa daw.
We don't know. We don't know these people. They just were sitting next to us, and now they're not here. We don't know. If
I think we're good. They jumped into a car.
Oh, okay, great.
They jumped into a car.
Yeah. I saw a gun, some very scared people. 2 people jumping into the water, and they just took into the car.
Okay.
You can imagine.
Yeah, that's right.
An hour and 8 minutes.
Yeah.
No, an hour. Yeah, we got on the bar here east and went back to the. There was a slowdown to get to Don Valley. It was like red, like bumpers. But we still got here. We never taken the lunch. We left at 1:15.
That's the one thing.
Maybe I'll just teach. How's that?
I trust these guys know what they're doing.
So where do I
I know. It's just we assume yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's true. It's a good thing I don't know them, so I won't be too upset. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Oh, I'll be down. The question is whether I'm going to roll on it. We've never.
I'm just gonna ask them if we're allowed to get off. Are we allowed to get off?